Hello guys, today I'll show you my best Twixtor settings. Let's see the preview. If everything is ready, let's jump into the tutorial. First, open After Effects and add your videos to the timeline. Now, open the tracker and track your character's head, like I do. Move the track point to the character's nose for the best results. Once it's done, click Apply and select X and Y. Then, add Motion Tile to fill the black gaps and follow my settings. I forgot to turn on mirror edges in the third video, sorry about that. Do the same thing for the other videos. Once that's done, click Frame Blending twice, then turn on Motion Blur. And then pre-compose all the videos like I did. Now, open the Effects panel, apply Twixtor to your clip, and follow my settings. For input frame rate, set it to the frame rate of your video. Mine is 60 FPS, but yours might be different. Add your first keyframe at the beginning, then move 30 frames forward. If your video isn't long enough, do it like this, then match it to your video. After placing the keyframes, select them all and press F9 to easy ease them. And then open the graph editor and copy my settings. Then copy these keyframes and paste them onto the other videos. The first Twixtor is done. Now let's see the other preview. This time, move 27 frames forward. Now, easy ease the keyframe, open the graph editor, and follow my settings. And then copy these keyframes and paste them onto the other videos. The second Twixtor is done. Now let's see the other preview. And now, with the same settings, I'm going to create a new keyframe. Now, follow my settings. Easy ease the keyframe, open the graph editor, and follow my settings. copy these keyframes and paste them onto the other videos. I think that's it for this Twixtor tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.